How to fix Instagram post crop on Android or iOS phone. First, just go to Play Store and make sure your Instagram is updated. Just see if there's an update here and click on it if you found it. And now, if that doesn't fix your problem, go to Instagram. Now, just post anything you want, like this one. Now you will find it like that. Then all you need to do, just click this icon here, this icon, click on it, and as you see now your problem must be fixed. It's easy, just you will find it like that. Click this icon and that's it. Now just post it, and I hope that can fix your problem. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.